Heyo, Whiskey Tango here with something maybe a little bit different. Lock is pretty straightforward. This is Master Lock 605, brass hitch lock, maybe for a small trailer for some jet skis, ATVs, something like that. 4-pinner. Not a gimme as far as the bitting is concerned by any stretch of the imagination. 1 pin's pretty high, 2, 3, 4 are progressively lower, so definitely the potential for an overset. We're going to need a somewhat steep pick to set this one without oversetting any of the others. So the fun part is that we're going to improvise some tools today. So as any gentleman does, I've got a bobby pin right here. Get that to 180. Try to make a little pop a keyway tool here and try to kind of bust up some of this plastic stuff on the tip. 2x90. Bending it will kind of bust this plastic a little. We want to get it nice and snug against pin 1 there. Okay, so I'm going to work this in. You know, in a tight spot, I could probably use my teeth or pretty much whatever I had available, but I'm going to try to not let it come to that. Just want a nice little key wrench. Busting it up a little bit. Shape it a little bit more. There we go. Shape it a little bit more. I think we're starting to, there we go. Starting to grab. Nice little 90. And okay, I think we're ready to go. Good tension there. Let's include more plastic. Let's right to 90 and maybe a little bit the wrong way and make ourselves a nice little tool. Okay. Next up, also, as any gentleman does, got myself a handy dandy lock picking tool. And likewise, we're going to use the keyway, you know, kind of like you would to create a take out of a paper clip for a pair of handcuffs to bend a little bit, and we don't want to go, you know, quite 90, more like 45, 60, something like that. And kind of even it out, and there we go. So let's see what we can do with these improvised tools now. Tension. Hard part is really going to be not dropping pins and working counter rotation with it. Oh, okay, never mind. There we go. So, yeah. Easier done than said, maybe, but there we have it. Master Lock 605 picked with improvised tools. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay frosty.